Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are tackling a topic that looks scary at first, but becomes super easy once you see the difference. Function declarations versus function expressions. By the end of this video, you will know what each one is, how they work, why hoisting changes everything, when to use which. Let's get into it. Before we compare anything, here's a tiny reminder. A function is a reusable piece of code that does something for you. Okay, cool. Now let's split them into two main styles, function declarations and function expressions. First, let's talk about function declarations. This is the classic old-school way to define a function. For example, function greet, console.log, hello. This is called a function declaration. Function declaration is hoisted, which means JavaScript moves it to the top of the file before running your code. So, for example, say hi, function say hi, console.log hi. Even though we call it before writing it, it still works. Why? Because declarations are loaded first. Now let's talk about function expressions. Function expressions looks like this. Constant greet equals function console.log hello. Here we are saving a function into a variable. Function expressions are not hoisted. This will not work. Say hi, constant say hi equals function console.log hi. JavaScript sees the variable first, but the function value is not assigned until that line runs. So you must define it before calling it. But why use function expressions? That's a great question. Function expressions are awesome because they can be anonymous, meaning they don't need a name. They can be stored in variables. They can be passed as arguments. Perfect for callbacks, event listeners. For example, button dot add event listener click function console.log clicked. This is a function expression inside another function. Sometimes you can name a function expression. For example, constant greet equals function say hello console.log hi. The name say hello is only visible inside the function, useful for debugging. But which one should you use? There is no strict rule, but here's a simple guide. Use function declaration when the function is a main reusable part of your code. You want to call it before it's written. You want clean, top-level functions. You can use function expressions when your function needs to be dynamic. You want to pass it as a value. You are working with callbacks. You want to keep function scope inside blocks. Most modern JavaScript uses expressions a lot, especially with arrow functions. We will talk about arrow functions later. And that's it. That was the difference between function declarations and expressions. Not so scary now, right? See you next. Thank you.